Yeah, more rain and storms
Yeah.
in the forecast as we head over these next couple of days. I don't think we see anything like what we saw over this last weekend, but some of the storms will have the potential to produce some heavy rainfall just with the fact that we're turning much more humid. We're at 70 degrees and dry here in Indianapolis. Our view from the University of Indianapolis, where those clouds have really filled in live guardian radar, we are picking up on a couple of spotty showers off in our northern county. So out into Miami County, out along Highway 18 in the southern part of the county, we have a few showers out towards Howard and Howard County. North of Kokomo, we have a couple of spotty light showers at this time, and we'll continue with the rain chances as we head from the morning right on through the afternoon and evening. We are watching that cluster of storms off to the west. I don't think we see a whole lot of impacts from that as we get later into the day, but we do have a frontal boundary that is off to our north and west that is stationary, and it is going to provide enough instability to bring us a chance for additional rain showers as we head later into the day. We're at 74 degrees out at the Indy Airport. 70 is where we are up in Peru and in Lafayette. We've dropped to the mid 60s down in Bloomington and Shelbyville. Dew point temperatures are elevated, and these actual air temperatures are elevated 5 to 10 degrees warmer from where we were this time yesterday, and that's the same case with our dew point temperatures that are now in those mid and upper 60s, and they'll inch a little higher as we get into this afternoon too. So by the lunch hour, we'll see temperatures in those upper 70s. We'll look at a high today, a few degrees cooler than where we were yesterday, looking at a high of 82, again with those chances of rain around throughout the day. Not a washout. They'll be very hit and miss. This is 8 a.m. Couple spotty showers possible as we get towards noon, thinking widely scattered showers, a couple of isolated thunderstorms, non-severe in nature, but again that potential that there could be some heavier downpours with that as well. And we'll continue with those widely scattered showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm right on through the afternoon hours. This takes us to 5 o'clock today, so for the evening commute home, you might need to use your windshield wipers, but many locations will be dry at this point, and an isolated shower chance continues on through the evening hours. So not a washout kind of day, but those rain chances will be around from this morning on through the afternoon and a few into the evening as well. We have the Indians continuing on with their homestand tonight against the Iowa Cubs. First pitch at 6:35 p.m. We'll have temperatures in the upper 70s at that point. By the time you're heading on home from that game, temperatures will fall into those mid 70s. And as we get into Friday morning, we'll start off with a temperature near 70 degrees to close out the work week. Additional rain chances in the forecast for tomorrow, and we'll be a touch warmer. We'll look at a high of 84 tomorrow afternoon. Let's talk about those rain chances. Again, it's not everybody getting wet and not a washout kind of day. Here we are at 7 a.m. with some widely scattered showers around. We'll continue with the chance for some widely scattered showers and introduce the chance for a few thunderstorms as we get towards the lunch hour, and that continues on into the afternoon. This takes us to 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. Widely scattered showers and a couple isolated thunderstorms in the mix. Notice how much dry space is going to be out there as well, though. So don't plan that you'll actually get rain. Just prepare for it because that chance is going to be there. And really, everybody has a fair chance that you could see some showers as we head into your Friday. Our Muggy meter has elevated, and it's going to stay elevated as we head through the rest of the work week right on into the weekend, and we'll see a little bit of a drop in it as we head into early next week. So rain chances today, tomorrow, and even as we get into Saturday, there will be a few widely scattered showers around. Sunday, I wouldn't rule out an isolated shower, but better rain chances as we head into next week. Between now and the late part of the weekend, we could see areas picking up about a quarter of an inch to an inch of rainfall and some of those heavier thunderstorms. Most locations will stay well above that, below that as we get through the next several days. 83 for a high today, up to 84 tomorrow, and 85 tomorrow on Saturday with a few spotty thunderstorms in the mix. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds around for the first half of the weekend. Same case on Sunday as we get into the afternoon and evening. An isolated thunderstorm can't be ruled out, but primarily dry. 88 on Sunday. We could see 90 again early next week on Monday. 89 Tuesday, again with a chance for a spotty shower or a storm. Scattered showers and storms return Wednesday of next week.